Hi, my name is Monica, and today I'm going to explain the phonetic sounds with vowels. But first of all, we have to know what are phonetic sounds. In a short way, we can say that phonetic sounds are the way we pronounce a certain letter in a certain language. In this case, in English. This is our word that includes every single that represents every single vowel sound. We start with the first one that is capital A, and the way we pronounce it is like this: E, E, E. And the examples are teeth, leaf, and teach. The next one is capital A, and the way we pronounce it is E, E. But it's like the last one, but we pronounce it a little shorter. The examples are way, they, ill. The next one, the symbol that represents it is a omega sign, and the way we pronounce it is u, u, u. The examples are you, womb, and grow. The next one is a u, and the way we pronounce it is u, u, u. The examples are lose, drew, and you. The next one, his symbol is a e, and the way we pronounce it is e. Excuse me, is a, a, a. And the examples are lay, hay, and wasting. The next one, his symbol is a e, but in reverse, and I can find any example, and his pronunciation is like the last one, but too little. And the reason I can find an example is because of that. So the next one, his symbol is a 3, and the way we pronounce it is like this: oo, oo, oo. And the examples are lucky, look, and pockets. The next one is this. His symbol is a C, and the way we pronounce it is oo, oo. And the examples are look, book, and fork. The next one, his symbol, excuse me, is like a butterfly, and the example, well, excuse me, the way we pronounce it is like this: ah, ah, and the examples are orange, back, and lack. The next one, the symbol I can remember the name of the symbol, but his pronunciation, sorry, is like this: e, e. And the examples are take, put, foot. The next one, his symbol is an A, and the way we pronounce it is like this: ah, ah, ah. And the examples are back, bat, and lack. The next one, his symbol is an A2, but is in reverse, and the way we pronounce it is like this: ah, ah. And examples are shut and fun. Well, thanks for your attention, and sorry because I'm not the best one explaining myself, and most in English. Thanks.